Hello and welcome to final project presentation of Google Cloud API. So Google Cloud API, we are using Google Prediction API for this demo, and we'll examine that how a gender can be predicted from a given text. So when we talk about this, we know that we need a Google Prediction API, which is actually a pattern matching and machine learning algorithm API, which is given by REST web service by Google to app developers. So here we'll be creating a data set, we'll uploading it to cloud storage, we'll train the data according to what Google does it and creates a model, and then we'll predict the data with something which is coming new. So the data which I have used or can be used is CSV and TXT. So CSV format, the column should be like the labels or the categories where the prediction can be made, and the other column should be what are the categories which are helpful in gaining that data. So here, these are the columns where I have created male, female, or brand, and the other column has just the text around the year of the TXT of only the text. So we'll go to cloud platform and we create a bucket. Once we create the bucket, we add our credentials. Once the credentials are added, we just note down that what kind of client ID it is, what API key is there, so that we can authorize our application through Open Authorization version 2. And we start playing with prediction API. This is the thing which we just insert the model, the insert the data, and here it is. We give a unique ID. Here I have given gender predict and the location on the bucket. This is the unique location of our data, and this is the unique ID of our data. So HES predict tweet gender.csv. All right. So in this method, which is called get train models.get, we try to get the status of what the model is going through it, if it is trained or if it is still running. So here we can see it is running. And now when we are trying to once the training is done, we can try to predict the things through our application. This is a small HTML fragment which we use, and some JavaScript to import. This is important, the client JS, which is the client library from JavaScript. And this is the web application in JS. In JS, we just try to give the scope, and on the handle of a button, we authorize and make the API call like this. We add a request body and try to get the response and put it here. And we just load the prediction version 1.6. All right, so this is what it is. Once we write some text or some tweet which is new and not on the data, it tries and predict that this text is actually by a female or a male or a brand or something. In this case, it was female. So this is how the prediction technology is working in this project, and this is how it is. Thank you so much.